In 1941, 3-year-old Marva Hackney wanted to go to school with her older siblings. Each day, the children walked miles, crossing Little River on a narrow log just to reach Springfield School. Her father, Miles Hackney, a school trustee, secured permission for Marva to attend at age 3. Marva attended Springfield from 1941 to 1951, before students began consolidating into Merton School. By 1955, all students were bused to Merton. Community schools like Springfield were repurposed. At Merton, Marva excelled, earning awards for scholarship, leadership, and service. In 1954, Marva represented Merton at the National Convention of the New Homemakers of America. She was accompanied by Mrs. Viola Brady, the chapter's NHA mother and mentor. Merton High School shaped generations of students through excellence, resilience, and community pride.